Fallout continues following the unprecedented leak of a U.S. Supreme Court draft opinion. U.S. officials want to know who leaked the document. Meanwhile, rallies are popping up all over the country as people debate abortion. 10 on your side's Chris Horne has new reaction from lawmakers.
Regina, Senators Tim Kaine and Mark Warner are saying they have grave concerns and are extremely troubled by the draft opinion from the High Court. They say it's dangerous, regressive, and doesn't follow precedent. Senator Mark Warner says the Supreme Court is jumping feet first into the culture wars.
I think it will create a system where people will seek out abortions in unsafe circumstances the way it was back in the 1950s and the 1960s.
He's talking about a leaked opinion first published by Politico earlier this week. According to the report, the opinion was authored by Justice Samuel Alito with support from fellow Justices Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, Coney Barrett, and Thomas. Enough votes to send control over abortions back to the states, reversing Roe v. Wade. Kaine says the opinion is contrary to rights to preserve liberty enshrined in the 14th Amendment.
There is a 70 or 80 year at least stretch of precedent that says that means there are some interests that are so intimate to a person that no matter what the process is, government can't take your rights away.
Warner says the Alito opinion dismisses the will of the people when it comes to abortion.
The idea that the Supreme Court would roll back these rights even in the case of rape and incest is frankly not where Virginians are or Americans are. I think Americans overwhelmingly want abortion to be safe, legal, and rare.
Now, the Supreme Court will issue its official opinion in late May or June. In the meantime, both Kaine and Warner say they'll push for the Women's Health Protection Act. That would make the right to an abortion part of law. Kaine says it could be on the Senate floor by next week. Chris Horne, 10 on your side.